Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. So today we will do the weekly wrap up, all right, from the 3rd to the 7th of October, how the market respected our technical levels and how we got the entry after confirmation and we made some good bucks or what we say profits, all right. So we started here and see here a bottom was accumulation versus and we got a good entry, and after this thing was tested our first target was this, okay, in last 100 11269 first target was done, and after this consolidation we got a confirmation that this is forming a inverted head and shoulder sort of pattern. Okay, the neckline was broken and we got to know that after the retest we'll enter it, and we made entry in this candle, in this pullback candle, and we took our trade to this level. All right, the first target being here and second target being here. All right, and then this was a good entry when the news came in the market that the markets are weak. All right, and we made an entry here and we made a good profit here as well. Okay, see, it was 5:30 Indian timing and a good entry was given, and still the market support is here. Okay, this is a historical trend line and this is a zone which I was talking in the recent videos as well. We have not reached there yet, but yes, in time sooner we are getting there. All right, let us see the US 30. Same here. Okay, formation of head and shoulder sort of pattern, getting an entry after the retest. We made an entry. First target was this trend line, we were taking historical trend line. First target was here, and after getting this rejection we made an entry here. We shorted till here, and this similarly in the last 100 we followed, we took the same trade and we got our target in the US 30 also, this level 29177. I've also uploaded a live trade for this US 30 trade on the channel. Please do watch for it. I'll put it in the I button. All right. Let us now see the Euro USD. See, okay, this was a good pullback and this was a zone. We waited for its breaching, and once it got breached and retest was done, we made an entry here and we got a good target trailing our stop loss. Okay, and after this we got to know that it is forming a sort of triple top formation. We took a trade and we got good trade. Okay, let us see the next one. USD Jpy, it is forming fresh high, but it is very dicey, I must say. It has broken the last swing also. Let us see whether it moves much higher or not. It was forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern here, so we made an entry here and we trailed to the last swing and we booked here. Okay, it tested a lot of patience, but yes, it gave a good decent profit. USD CHF similarly here. Okay, so W pattern. After breaching this point we waited for this swing, because this is very important line for me, this good trend line. It is a swing level. I waited for its breaching. Once I got confirmed, we made an entry and took a short trade. Okay, and this was my target which got breached, the last closing resistance level, booked here. This was a short trade, yet very good trade. Okay, so from now on, I'll be uploading these weekly wrap up also, in which I'll be covering all the days of the week. Like this is a complete, this whole chart on the screen shows complete week from the 3rd of October to the 7th of October. All right. The next one is AUD USD. See, okay, a zone formation here, took this swing and it waited for it to get a closing, and when this candle was made, it has no net buyers. We got to know that the sellers have entered. We entered here, first target here, trail till here, and the last target is here. Still the trade is on for the USD Jpy. I'll be showing in the next coming video. Okay, I've recorded the video and I'll be putting it on Monday when the market opens, tonight 2:30 a.m. Indian time. Okay, Nzd USD similarly here. Okay, this swing, waited for it, entered here, shorted target 1, target 2, and target 3. This swing low, almost there. The trade is still on, and like I said, trade is still on. I'll show the video tomorrow when it's uploaded. All right. USD Canadian dollar similarly here. Okay, this is a zone formation, so the target was placed here. Okay, We made an entry here after this pullback. Once done, we shorted here, trailed, booked here. Okay, then waited for this place because this was also bottom. We got to pull back. We just entered after this candle, and the trade was on, and we booked at this swing high. Okay, this candle swing high, and we booked. Okay, Nzd Jpy. So this was a very dicey chart for me. I didn't take any trade in this one, but yes, the ones who followed the supply and demand theory would have got a good trade. All right, silver, very good chart, my favorite. Made good decent bucks in this after this pattern was broken. A symmetrical triangle gave a good move. Target one done, target two done, target three done, target four done. All right, and then this is a consolidation. Similarly, in gold, again, the good breakout entered here. Target 1 done, target 2 done, target 3 done, target 4 done. Okay, and now short trade is on. Okay, I'll show in the video once uploaded tomorrow. Okay, my target for this is the swing level 1677, but I've placed on 1685 because this is a sure short target which is to become to be achieved. Okay, this is dollar index. Bitcoin. I'll not discuss about the crypto because it is consolidating. I think it should start a movement from today, from tonight, when the market start opens. Okay, we'll see some more currency pairs. GBP. All right. See, GBP AUD. Okay, it's consolidating. Let us see if it breaks down. It will be a sharp fall and it will be coming in the series 1.7, bridging the level of 1.7 as well. Okay, this is UK oil. Okay, now it has reached its resistance. I got a good trade in the US 30. I was thinking about entering here, but I couldn't enter. But I entered here once this this pullback was done from this last swing. I entered it and I got to know that it is going to blast. Then target one done, target two, target three, target four, and target five. I have booked here all my trades because it is now overbought and it should consolidate. And if I extend this historical trend line, it should come back to retest this trend line and make some volume accumulation, and then we'll see according to price action so form that which direction we should be taking a trade. All right. So this is all about the weekly performance of the indices, currency pairs, commodities. All right, indices. So my favorites were indices and gold trades. Okay, for this week. But yes, currencies too gave some good opportunities for going short and long. When the trades are open, I'll show that in the next video when I'll be uploading it tomorrow in the midday stream. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Matam. And yes, to enroll for the course, and also people who are willing to invest via me can invest in the forex, and I do give a return of promissory return of around 10 to 12% on a monthly basis. If you want to invest in the INR, then the minimum investment is 10 lakh rupees, and if you want to invest in the USDT in the crypto, then the minimum investment is 15,000 USDT. All right, all transparent. If you want to meet me, you can come and meet me, see my work lively, get satisfied, and then can move forward to the investment. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.